What scares me is thinking that because he's not going to want to stay together, that he'll realize that maybe I'm not the right one for him.
I don't want to say necessarily I'm here for closure, but more so clarity on what the next steps are. I realize that everything's a choice, and we've been making choices throughout the 23 years of our marriage, and they haven't been good. I'm to a point where I don't want to try anymore. I definitely want us, in one form or another, to be somewhere different than we are now, in a better place than we are now, together as a couple.
We struggled through it for 24 years, 3 children later. It gave me hope. Like, in general, that whole weekend just gave me hope. You'll get something out of it, even if it's just learning about yourself more, so that you could be better prepared for this relationship, working on the current one, or future. I'm a teacher, and my 7th graders from last year, they nominated me as the most positive adult in the building. So I've become even more positive, with how I see life, even though I've had this trauma of divorce. And I thank Marriage Helpers for helping me to have hope, and if not in this marriage, in a future one.